Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by powering off the Nintendo Switch console to prevent accidental input. Remove the console from any docking station and lay it flat. Inspect the top rail for a small black release button near the rail. The release button sits on the inside edge of each Joy-Con controller. Position your thumb on the release button and your other fingers on the controller body. Keep traction and a steady upward sliding motion to disengage the locking mechanism. Avoid twisting or pulling outward, as that can damage the rail or connector pins. To remove a Joy-Con, hold the console stable with one hand. Press and hold the small black release button on the controller's inside edge. While holding the button, slide the Joy-Con straight upward along the rail. Slide approximately 3-5 inches until the controller detaches from the locking hook. Do not angle the controller or force sideways movement to avoid bending the rail. After removal, inspect the connector pins for debris before reattaching or storing. If using Joy-Con straps, slide the plastic guard away from the top rail first. If a Joy-Con sticks, never pry with metal tools or hard objects near the rail. Press and hold release button while applying constant upward pressure to free a stubborn slide. Use compressed air and a soft brush to clear dust from the rail and connector pins. For sticky grime, apply a small amount of 70% isopropyl alcohol on a cotton swab. Work gently and avoid excess liquid near electronics to prevent damage. Allow parts to air dry for at least 10 minutes before reattaching any controllers. If the controller remains stuck, contact professional Nintendo repair or an authorized service center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.